welcome back to the POV Street Photography episode. Today I'm gonna shoot with an 85mm lens on my A7cii II, and I'm gonna add some of my thought process on the composition, so feel free to give me any feedback on how you think about it. It's a busy street, but I saw this lady walking into this quiet alley, and the buildings on both sides can act as frames to emphasize on our subject. We've also got some great leading lines, as well as light and shadow contrast. Now I saw this fire extinguisher at the corner of the street. The color is very catchy, and I thought it could form strong contrast with people walking by. Now I set the focus there, and I just waited for people to pass by. Next is also in a dark alley. It's a little bit similar to our first shot. We've got these orange leading lines leading to our subject, and the buildings on both sides are dark, which really helps bringing out our subject, which is located at the bright area. I'm gonna walk closer and use these motorcycles as foreground. This way we can create more shallow depth of field and also create a more obvious frame for our subject. Using an 85mm portrait lens for street photography allows for a more subtle approach. It offers a completely different experience compared to a wide-angle lens, where you often have to be right up close to your subject. It's a great choice for introverted photographers who prefer to keep a bit of distance while capturing candid moments. There's a cool storefront. I'll wait for someone suitable to pass by. Next, it's a pretty straightforward portrait with these curtains serving as both foreground as well as framing. Next, it's a set of photos that I personally love a lot. There's nothing too special about the composition, but I love the color. You can see the store sign is combined of teal and orange, so when I edited the photos, I also adjusted the colors accordingly. In this street photography session, I tried not to always shoot with f1.8, because I think it's a bit lazy always shooting wide open. These two are the only shot with f1.8. Now here are some images that I failed to capture with my POV camera. I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, I'm wondering whether you guys like this kind of video with my voiceover commentary, or maybe you like silent POV videos like I did before, with only background music and subtitles. Leave a comment to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.